To answer the question, the change in the legislation is not related only to the airtightness. It's like a normal change in the legislation to make the airtightness, not the energy performance criteria, stricter for Estonia. So we have come up with the lower energy performance values for each building groups. We have updated the energy calculation procedure so that some additional energy flows regarding the hot water generation and so on are included in the new legislation. And as a part of that, the paragraph that deals with airtightness, this third option is removed, I believe, with this purpose that it hasn't been used a lot in Estonia. Since now, I think we have like 3 companies who have actually used this possibility to use a lot of lower values. And the reasoning from the ministry is that you can assume the airtightness level of 1.5 during the preliminary calculations. And when you're finishing the actual building and measuring the airtightness, as you have to do it if you assume this 1.5, and if you get then a better result, then you can recalculate the energy performance and you can get the better energy class for the building. So there is not so much difference between this 1.5 and, for example, 0.7 and something like this. So it's a little bit like conservative approach in this preliminary phase of the energy calculation, just to keep things more simple because in Estonia, if architects are applying for the building permit, each municipality has to verify this, and because we have a lot of like small municipalities, there are sometimes not enough people with too good knowledge about the details of these things, so they can't like check if these provided declared values are okay or not. So it's just simplification of the legislation, I believe, with a conservative value of 1.5, which has to be measured later on.
Okay, thank you. And you presented briefly a study you published. How many airtightness test results are included in it?
I don't remember actually the exact number. It's, I think, around 300 to 400, something like this. But you could go to this link we had in the presentation, and it's written there.
Okay, thank you very much. If there are not any more questions, we can move on with the next presentation. Feel free to keep asking questions also during the next presentation. We will have time at the end to ask more to Jaanus if needed.